subjects.
Shh, parents are still sleeping, remember? Yeah, 9:20.
It's 9:25 now.
You see the light?
Yeah.
And today we'll be doing the early
Bird
MasterChef
breakfast.
Kids Challenge. And what this is we're going to be baking 3 meals. Well, things. I'm going to be cooking bacon,
Eggs
and spaghetti to both of us. And then we're going to be giving it to our parents, and they're going to say which one is cooked better, and then that person will win.
Yeah, but then they're not voting on because just say they like bacon more. They're voting on the cooking, okay? And come on, Jasmine.
And if you don't know, this is my cat Charlie. She likes chasing my pipe cleaners.
And let's get to it.
Right, our stuff's going to be on the bench. In 3, 2, 1, go. There it is.
This is the spaghetti.
I've got my bacon.
And I've got my eggs in fry pan.
So, ready to get cooking? Let's get to it.
Sorry.
Daddy's up, and now he's making a coffee. So it turns out the surprise will only be for Mum, but Dad can judge it too.
Dad of the year!
Okay, so we're gonna make bacon. Eggs take fast, so I'm just gonna do the winner.
Okay. Bacon in the bacon maker. We're baking bacon. Oh, sizzles. So we've got our bacon in the bacon maker, and we're ready to shut the lid. Becca's starting to cook the eggs.
I'm not very good at this. Can you help me, Jasmine?
We'll try.
What do I do again? Oh yeah, cooking.
Okay, so far we've put the eggs in, except 2 of the yolks are broken.
Okay, Christine can have this one. Watty can have this one. I'll have this one.
Okay, hopefully they'll taste better than they look. Okay, the bacon's pretty finished. Just letting it simmer while we finish cooking the eggs, which have now looked even worse.
I know. This is so fun.
Oh, Lady Floral. I thought you'd make them look like flowers.
Yeah.
Okay, should we cook the spaghetti? Okay, so I'm just getting the lid off the spaghetti, and as you can see, Dad's on the computer in the background. And here comes the weirdest bit, the sloppiness. Wait for it. Ew! Into the microwave. Now we're just serving up.
Okay.
Put eggs on the plate over there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 pieces.
Little squeeze.
Mum will only have 1.
You can let this.
Dad will have 2, and then we...
Where's my plate? Oh, it's here.
Dad, do you mind if you just have 1 piece of bacon?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So, as you can see, there are my horrible eggs.
How many bits are there?
6.
Oh, is there only 6?
Yeah, so 2 today. Because I'm not having eggs and you're having spaghetti and stuff. Okay. We'll show you. These are the finished dishes. And we're going to serve them to the parents.
Here we go.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, we've got such wonderful kids.
Oh, haven't we got amazing children
Haven't
and
we?
their friends are
Oh.
just
We've
incredible.
cooked your breakfast.
Oh, wow, thank you. Awesome.
Crazy.
Wow. Oh, you girls are just amazing.
We cooked the bacon. Well, I cooked the bacon, Becca cooked the eggs.
The
and we
eggs had a
both-
failure.
and then we both cooked the spaghetti. And now it's your turn to judge which is better.
We'll see you later.
Okay.
See you later.
Just get it on there.
So now they've finished their dinner. They're just discussing who's going to win.
For the results. Guys, stop watching Caitlin on your phone. Time for the
Oh,
results.
time for the results.
Uh-huh.
Tough choice.
So have you made your decision yet?
Well,
Daddy?
very,
The best daddy in the world?
very tough choice. Probably negative comment was that the spaghetti was a little bit cold.
I'm
What it done was-
sorry.
Who did the spaghetti?
Both of us.
Ah.
Except there's a video of me. I
Um,
plopped and it just went. It was like gelatin.
And the eggs, although they were scrambled, sort of.
Get to the point.
In third place because it was a little cold, is the spaghetti. So that leaves us with the eggs and the bacon.
Get to it.
And I think because the flavour and the texture.
Okay,
was
wait.
just-
Okay, have you made your
And-
decision yet?
And the flavour was just divine.
What?
My winner for, what do you call yourselves?
Master Chef Kids Early Bird.
Master Chef Kids Breakfast Edition.
No, Early Bird Master Chef Breakfast Kids Challenge.
Okay, yes, for that. Is there an acronym for that?
Okay, just get to your point.
Okay, the winner,
This is what he's winning.
my
And then I
choice
have a
for the
different
winner is the bacon.
Yay!
However, I found the eggs the most enjoyable.
Well, that was much shorter than his. He took like an hour, and you took like 2 seconds.
That's the difference between men and women. We just get straight to the point. Men take forever. Anyway, I love the eggs.
I literally tried to think, and then one of them just went, and like, okay, I'll just flip them and make them scrambled.
It was good.
Mm.
I liked it. I would eat eggs like that any day.
I know, they're biggified.
Bigger
No,
fried.
bigger fried.
Bigger fried eggs.
Eggs. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's go. Bye. Thank you.
That was our MasterChef
Early Bird
breakfast
Kids
challenge.
Edition.
And we were both winners in the end, which is all good. Now it's time for us to make breakfast. Boring cereal. Bye.
Hello, our fellow subjects.
Shh, our parents are sleeping.
Oh, yeah, it's only 9:20.
It's 9:24 now. And it's light outside.
Charlie. She says Charlie every time, but they're gonna vote it on just not because they like bacon more or eggs more. They're gonna vote it on the cooking.
Help me.
Jasmine.
Thank you.
Okay, so
We're going to have to redo that. Ow! 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 I got the sack. Ow! 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 Okay, we're going to have to.